Hey to you, can you please introduce yourself?
Good day, Madam and Sir. I am Sharon Rose Adog. I have 4 kids. I'm living in Purok 5 Liling, Habunoy, Davao del Sur.
Okay, yes. So do you have any work experience in abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Which country?
Saudi Arabia.
Okay, how long years you been working there?
2 years.
2 years. Okay, can you tell me what is your duties in your employer house?
Cleaning the house, taking care of the children, washing.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Okay, yes. How many members of that family?
5.
5 members. How many children do you have?
3.
3 children. How old are they?
One is 3 years old, and then when I came there, the twins are still baby, newborn.
Oh, newborn. So how
So,
many helpers do you have in that family? 2
Yeah.
helper. So you assigned to the newborn baby.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so then, since birth, the newborn, you've been taking care for 2 years, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so, yeah, so you very hard work because that is twin.
Twin.
Baby is not easy to look after. And then, the same time, you do all around housemaid also?
If the other one will not in the house.
Okay, so you do all around. You do cooking?
Yes, madam.
What kind of foods you can cook?
Arabic, but not all the time I am cooking because the other one she's cooked for the food.
Okay, so you be the one to look after the twin kids, right?
Yes.
Okay, yes. So that is good experience. Okay, yes. So then, can you tell me how the way you taking care a newborn or young child?
The first time I will ask for the I will see the temperature. After that I will if I see that there is a fever, I ask to the parents if they will if I am the one who give the medicine or it will be go in the hospital.
Okay, first of all, if that the baby is get sick or get fever, so you inform immediately to your employer. And of course, you have to wait the instruction or you give a first aid or necessary you rush to the hospital.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So, okay. Okay, can you sing a song on nursery rhymes?
The favorite song of my Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Thank you very much about that. So then, are you ready to go abroad again?
Yes.
Okay, so why you choose Hong Kong?
Because Hong Kong is near for the Philippines, from the Philippines.
Yes, okay.
Not too much far like Middle East.
Yes, it's very nearest in our country, that is Asian country. Okay, yes, so then, if you luckily hired in Hong Kong, do you have any message to your future employer?
My message to my employer, yes ma'am, my message to my employer, thank you for accepting me, and then I promise with you, if I will finish my contract with all my respect and
Yes, of course, you promise that you finish your 2 years contract or more.
more.
How long years you wish to work in Hong Kong? How long years?
I think 2 years and above.
Can you be 10 years? Can you be 10 years?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, yes, of course, in Hong Kong, they have holidays every week. So then, if your employer requests not Saturday, Sunday holidays, are you willing to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing that no holidays?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, they give you a money back for overtime pay so you can earn more.
Yes, ma'am.
And to promise that you cannot ask salary advance from your employer.
Yes, ma'am.
And to promise that you cannot involve in bank finance in Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, to promise that you cannot play your mobile phone while you're working hours.
Yes.
Okay, before we end this interview, can you show us your best smile?
Thank you.